Hey guys, namaste and welcome to our YouTube channel Tutor Pratik. Nowadays we can buy or sell any products online. So e-commerce websites are very trending on this time. That's why today in our video we are going to learn how to create an e-commerce website in just few minutes. So today's video will going very interesting, so keep watching our video till end. And before we start, if you still haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell button that it will be notified whenever we publish our new videos. For creating any websites, we need two primary things. First one is domain name and second one is web hosting. So today for creating an e-commerce website, I'm going to use free domain name ecommerce.cf and also I am using the free web hosting. If you don't have your domain name and web hosting, you can use free domain name and free web hosting for lifetime. And to know how to get the free domain names and free web hosting lifetime, you can check our previous video, that video link on this I button and also in the description of our video. So on that video you will learn how to get the free domain name and free web hosting and how to link our domain name on our web hosting. After connecting our domain name into the web hosting, first of all we have to install the WordPress. For installing WordPress, on hosting tools, click on Jackie app installer. After that, click on browse and install app. Then click on WordPress and proceed to step 2. Now choose your title for your e-commerce website like Tutor Pratik and give the admin username and password. This username and password will be used later for updating or managing your website. And then give your admin email address. Then click on install application. Now it may take a few moments to install WordPress in our domain. Our installation is completed successfully. Let's open our website. For now, our website is just a normal blog. To get login to manage our website, under our domain, we will use /wp-admin. This address is for login to our control panel for our website. And here we will give the same username and password that we give when we install our WordPress. Up to here, it's just we completed our WordPress installation for our domain. If you have already installed a WordPress into your website and convert your blog into an e-commerce website, please follow all the steps now we are going to proceed. For creating an e-commerce website, we need one plugin to be installed. For this, click on the plugin menu and click on Add New. And on Search Plugins, type Woocommerce, and on first result we will get this Woocommerce plugin, so just click on this install now. After installation, click on this activate button. Now here in Woocommerce plugin setup we have to give our store location. So here I am going to give my store location. After completing the form fill up, click on continue. Then on next step, you have to choose what type of products that will be listed in our e-commerce site. Like I choose physical products, some downloads, and click on continue. And on this step, we will provide the information about how many products we are going to display. So I'm choosing 11 to 100 product list. And on currently selling elsewhere, I choose no and then click continue. Now this step is choosing the theme for your e-commerce website, or you can just click skip the step. And next step, it asks for enhance your store with Jetpack and Woocommerce services. If you want to enhance your store with this Jetpack needs, you can choose yes please, or if you don't want to add these features, you can just click no thanks. Congrats, we almost done to create an e-commerce website. Here we can see that there is a menu, cart, checkouts, my account, and sub-menus are already added in our website. That means our website is converted into an e-commerce website. Now the remaining work we have to do is just adding our products for sale. For adding the products in our e-commerce site, on the left menu we can see the product menu, and under this product click on Add New. Here in this Add New Product page, we will give our product details, its description, informations, the pictures, and its cost and various information related to our product. For example, I'm going to add one product, very famous painting, and on description I'm going to write some text. It is very famous painting all over the world. After then, you can choose this product type. I'm just going to choose this simple product. It is not virtual and not downloadable, so I'm not going to click on this checkbox. And on this regular price, we can give our price like 1,200. And on this sale price, if you want to give some discounts on them, you can give the discounted price like $980. Similarly, we can give the informations like inventory, shipping, linked products, attributes, advanced, and many more details you can give about your products. And at last, we can give some short descriptions about our product, like its dimension 50 by 70 inch. And on our right side, we can give its categories, and on this product image, we will provide our image of our product. And similarly, we can give multiple images as our product gallery from this product gallery menu. And finally, click on Publish to publish our product in our e-commerce website. Now on our website, when we click on the sub-menu, now we can see that we have one product listed for sale. After adding the product, the another task we have to do is setting for our payment system. For this, click on Woocommerce and then click on Set up Payments. On default, Woocommerce provided PayPal checkout, cash on delivery, and direct bank transfer payment systems. We can enable or disable these payment systems for our e-commerce website. If you want to enable the PayPal payment system, you can click on this Setup, then click on Connect. After then, give your PayPal accounts and connect it. Similarly, if you want to take payments in cash upon delivery, you can just turn on this cash on delivery. And on Setup Shipping, you can add the extra charges for shipping your product. And at last, personalize your store by adding your logo, set a store notice, and also, while we open our website, on default, our web page is opened as a blog, and our e-commerce website is located on this sub-menu. We can create this homepage, so click on this Create Homepage. Next step is uploading our logo and a notice. For now, I'm just clicking the Skip and complete the task. Now we completed all the settings for Woocommerce for creating our e-commerce website. Now when I click on the home page, now we have a custom home page with some banners and our new products details and other elements. The next thing you can do in your website is changing the theme that you want for your e-commerce website, and also add products that to be sold in your website. Now I added 2 more products in my e-commerce website, and also I changed to the new theme. Now our e-commerce website is finally ready to publish, so the customers can directly add their products to the cart from the home page, or they can go to the shop and then they will choose your product and add to the cart. And when I click to view cart, it will show the quantity, price and the subtotal amounts that we have to pay. And along with this, the Woocommerce also supports the coupon code system, so you can provide your customers with coupon service. And then for payment, proceed to checkout. Now in checkout, the customer have to fill out their information, and as I added two payment gateway service, they can choose either cash on delivery or they can choose a PayPal for the payments, and finally click on place order. Then it will redirect to the PayPal service that customers can complete their payment, and they will redirect back to our e-commerce website. And the details entered by the customers also create their accounts that they can check their accounts on our website, by which they can able to track their orders and also check their details about their previous orders. If you want to make your homepage as the sub page, for this, on your theme customize, and inside your theme customization, find the setting where you can change your default homepage. For my theme, inside the general setting, I have this homepage setting. We can choose this sub page as a default homepage. Now our e-commerce website is directly open to the sub page. So just by using this Woocommerce plugin in your WordPress website, you can change your website into an e-commerce website in just a few minutes. And inside this Woocommerce plugin, we have a different setting from which we can manage our orders. Here in Woocommerce menu, we have this order from which we can check the orders that we get. And also if you want to give some coupons for your customers, you can also manage the coupon codes from this coupon menu. And if you want to create the report about your business, here we have also the report menu inside our Woocommerce. That's all for today. We will come back soon with another interesting videos. Until then, take care, goodbye.